Introducing the 2025 SEAT Ibiza 1.0TSI 95BHP Door XCELLENCE in sleek black. This beauty is packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control, and more for your comfort and convenience. With safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. This Ibiza also comes with a Limited Slip Differential, Tyre Repair Kit, and comprehensive warranties. Plus, it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on how you can drive home in the 2025 SEAT Ibiza XCELLENCE today.